All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Journey. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful white with black interior, third row seatings, fog lights, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Only 22,000 miles in this vehicle. Super nice. And best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread, get up in here, is under 730 seconds, above 4. I'm gonna double check it. That's correct. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds here. There's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat, back and forth, and lumbar. But your backrest is not powered. It is a push start system. Does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Push screen, got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right there. Turn the lights here. Got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 22,408. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. I don't need to open up the trunk or anything, but looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders, rear AC controls, and rear AC vents running along. Got a third row seating right here. No holes, no tears, no rips to that back. To back there. Coming around, your rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have some chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A few chips down here. It's typical of any most vehicles. Here's a nice shot of your trunk space. These seats do fold forward. Come back. We got a little tray here with your tools there for your spare tire, and I'm sure a spare tire up underneath the vehicle. I personally have not seen it. This quarter looks pretty good. Looks like I have a heavy scratch here, about 4 inches, and a little chippy here. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? It does. See, 3, 6, about 10 inches around there. Let's check out your tire thread back here, which is just at the line of 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your rear third row, likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips back there. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have, I don't know what happened to it now. Ugh. Oh man, hold on one second. All right, the hook was this little thing here. So strap, got a little compartment there. Puts away stuff. Looking good. Yeah, this fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. And your tire thread is under 730 seconds, above 4. Lights are working. Car is running. Shit is good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2017 Dodge Journey SXT model with 22,000 miles. Any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.